What's going on, guys? I'm Hunter the Fisherman, and this is Saratoga Outdoors. I am doing my first solo lake trout mission today, so it's going to be an interesting one. I'm out in Lake George. I've never fished Lake George before, and I've never done a solo lake trout mission, so it's kind of a twofer today. We are going to be sharpshooting for lake trout today. So if you don't know what sharpshooting is, it's you kind of just go around and see if you can mark one on the sonar, and then stop real quick and drop down, see if they're interested, and then you move on. It's a way to really get on some fish. Instead of having them try and find you, you try and find them. Today we have let me show you real quick. We have the JT Outdoors 38-inch black rain with a little swim bait. We have an ugly stick with a pen reel and a 3/4 ounce VTJ. I also have some spoons, obviously Parsons spoons, and I have some other goodies that might do the trick. We're gonna see what we can do today with what we have, basically. Oh. That's a lake trout chasing me. 100% that's a lake trout chasing me. Ooh! I just got bit again! That's a little lake trout chasing me. He's not big. He's not big. Ooh. Chaser, 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 chaser. Oh, I just got hit. Oh, I just got hit. Oh. He's coming back up for it. That was a lake trout. That was a lake trout. That was a lake. He's coming back up for it. Chasing, chasing. Petered off. That was a lake trout. 1,000,000% was a lake trout. It's on. Oh, it's on. It is on. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, Laker. Oh, let's go. Oh, on the chase, on a VTJ, in Lake George. Oh, on the JT rod. Oh, what a chase. What a chase. It's not the biggest, but it'll do. Oh, man. Let's go. Oh, Laker. Oh, it's a little bigger than I thought. Oh, I don't want to lose this fish. Alright, I'm gonna do something risky here. Okay. Alright. Oh, I still got it. Let's go. I still got it. I still got this fish. On the 38-inch ice rod. Oh, it's not a bad Laker. But it's a Laker. No doubt, it's a Laker. Penalty box. Oh, let's go. Penalty box. Lake trout. Oh, whoa, easy sucker. What a beautiful lake trout. What a beautiful fish. All right, let's send her back. What a fish to start the morning. Oh, okay. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hey, it wasn't a big one, but it was a beautiful fish. All right, so let's talk about what I'm using today for these fish. So, a 3/4 ounce VTJ and a JT Outdoors Black Rain 38-inch my ice rod. And I'm just kind of sharpshooting, like I said. And it popped up, and now I have a lake trout under my belt. And I've only been out for an hour. So that did two things for me, right? So one, I proved Matt Gilbert wrong. So from BT to you, he is the creator of the VTJ. Matt, you are wrong. You can catch fish on a VTJ in other places. Also, it proves one of my other theories right, that if they predominantly catch lake trout trolling in an area, you can catch them on the VTJ because they're aggressive enough to hit it trolling. So that means they're aggressive enough to hit it vertical jigging as well, which is awesome. I think I just proved my theory. Let me catch another few other fish and see if I can prove it even further. Ho ho ho. That was almost bad. That was almost bad. Ooh, laker, 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 laker. Laker, laker, laker. Laker. That's a laker. That's a laker. Oh, chase, 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 chase. Still chasing, still chasing, still chasing, still chasing, still chasing. Yes! Yes! Oh, that was a crazy chase. That was a crazy chase. Oh my gosh. Oh, please don't lose this fish. That was a oh, this one's big. This one's big. Oh, that was a crazy chase. That was an insane chase. This one's bigger than the other one. Oh, what a chase. Oh. Oh. Let's go, lake trout. Lake trout. That was a crazy chase. That was insane. That was actually insane. Let's get the penalty box. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Came up out of nowhere. Oh my gosh, this one's big. Whoa, what a lake trout. What a lake trout. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got a fat little belly on you, buddy. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh. A fat belly on. Okay, okay. This is not what we're doing. This is technical difficult. Beautiful fins. Wow. What a beautiful fish. Probably like a 5-pounder. Back to the drink, friend. Let's go.